G'day guys. Whoa, wait. Whew. G'day guys. It's Calvin from the Cartoon Company in New Zealand. Got my earmuffs on because I'm going to be making some noise. We're going to witness the resetting of the stepper motor on the 1UZ. I've been doing wiring, doing testing, idle speed's funny, being a pain in the backside. I wanted to check my wiring was right. My wiring's fine. The stepper's functioning correct. No. The circuits are functioning correctly. The stepper isn't. Let's have a look. Stepper motor. Bad stepper motor. Stepper motor. That one's working. That one's not working. That one's working. If these steppers have been sitting for a while, they get a little bit prone to sticking. Every now and again. This one hasn't been rebuilt and it has been sitting. So it's probably sticky. The other one's been sitting as well. It isn't sticky though. So what I've got here is I've got an engine that runs. I've got a stepper motor attached. I've got vice grips. I've got vice grips for blocking off the line going to the stepper. IAC. Idle air control, IACV, idle air control valve. I call them all those names. The idle thingy. So the idle thingy on this engine isn't working. I'm going to start the engine. We're going to watch the idle thingy do its thingy. Do its stuff. Idle thingy do its stuff. Okay, you're over there? Wait. Oh shit, I need two hands. I put the power in here. Yes. I put the earmuffs on. Earmuffs are on. You guys stay up there. We're going to start it. You watch it? Too far. Oh, look at that. It's doing a reset. I'll turn the power off. Now it's gone back into reset position. Let's try that again. There we go. You're up there. Let's try to get on. Watch what happens when I turn the engine off. And it goes through a reset process. Ready to start next time. Okay, I'm going to do a swappy around, put this stepper IAC onto this engine, but hopefully that gives you a little bit of an insight on what that stepper is doing. It's pretty primitive, but they work really well when set up correctly. Stepper motor has been changed. My idle speed now drops down like it should. However, I've got another little issue. Old Yeller has been apart and back together numerous times. A lot of times. And the intake manifold gaskets, I think I probably did them about 50 times ago. And I've just reused them every time. For this job, I went out the back, grabbed a second-hand manifold, slammed it on. And it's decided it wants to leak air on me. I had a good opportunity to have a look. Okay, I'm going to start it, going to run it, and you're going to see me use some of this to find the air leak. Let's do it. I'm going to put my earmuffs on. My head is aching. Power! Start up. hopefully you could hear the whistle over the exhaust. There's an air leak. A little bit of engine start, brake clean, carb clean. Easy way to find it if you don't have a smoke machine, which I've also got, but not right here. Coming apart again, new gaskets after a long time, and we'll run it up again. Here we go. That's better. The Toyota badge is at the wrong end.